recruiter at Kolibri Games.
Hi, I'm Dominique, I'm a Unity developer.
I'm Susan, I'm a data engineer.
And I'm Robert, and I'm also a data engineer.
We hire a lot of technical roles at Kolibri Games, and because these roles are somewhat specialized, their interview and trial process is a 5-step journey. First step, the recruitment team is looking at every single submission, every single application, and the selected candidates are gonna go to a recruiter screen, which is a 30 minutes call or initial call with us where we get to know you, we get to know your history, and of course the reason why you would like to join us at Kolibri Games.
So the next step is a tech test, right? So this usually contains some theory questions, some diagramming, and also some programming tasks.
For example, the Unity developer role, there was a practical test which was mainly focused on your day-to-day work, like problem solving, doing a programming task, do a diagram, which was mainly the problem solving part, and also had some theory questions about Unity. But yeah, if you are like Unity developer, it should be doable.
So if you're applying for a data role, you should know how to transform data with SQL. You should be comfortable explaining some data modeling techniques and fundamentals, also programming fundamentals. And you should be able to show off your thoughts in pseudocode.
So after a successful technical test, you are going to be invited to 2 interviews with some of our team members, which, as you can imagine, at some point they were sitting also in your spot wondering how they would fit in at Kolibri Games.
Company, cultural, social fit is important because it's not only about how you work together in a technical manner, but also on how you get along socially. Having a nice atmosphere in the team is always helpful. And therefore, don't fear to ask questions if you have any, so yeah.
Once we've gotten to know you well, we will invite you to 1 or 2 trial days, either remotely or on-site. And basically, these trial days will give you an excellent look on how would it be to work at Kolibri Games.
For us, the data team, basically our tasks focus on imitating a day-to-day life of a data analyst engineer. So if you are going for an analyst position, you might need to dig deep into a problem and come up with some recommendations. If you are going for a data engineering role, then your task might be more focused on pipelines and data integration.
As an analyst, you need to be able to communicate. That's a pretty big part of your job. So show that you're interested, show that you care about the craft. And also the most important thing for us is not necessarily that you know all the things that we're using here. What we want to get the feeling of is that you want to learn it and that you're enthusiastic about working here.
For the trial days as a Unity developer, it is also helpful to know a lot about code architecture and clean code, because this was surely something which was valued a lot. And also you should have a look at reactive programming and working with Zenject for dependency injection. And yeah, don't be shy about asking your trial day partner if you have any questions or you're blocked or something else.
After your trial day or trial days, you will have the opportunity to share your feedback with the team lead about your experience at working at Kolibri Games for 1 or 2 days. And basically you will also be given the feedback for the trial day, but you shouldn't expect the final feedback or the final decision. Then you will discuss with the team lead when you should expect a feedback from us. And we will try our best to get as soon as possible back to you and of course welcome you in our team.